Congratulations, Manisha, as you will have a new member soon in your family. Take very good care, and we are eager to see the baby.
Congratulations, Q. You'll be a big brother soon.
Hi Manisha, happy baby shower. I'm so happy for you. I hope everything goes well. My best wishes and congratulations to both of you.
Hi Manisha and Naren. Congratulations. All the best to both of you. Have fun. Okay, bye.
Thanks.
Manisha and Naren, good luck to you guys, and hope to see the baby very soon when things get better.
Congratulations, Manisha, Naren, and Kian. We wish you the best. Have a safe delivery and speedy recovery. We are excited for the little princess too.
Happy baby day! Wishing you and the baby, Naren Kaka and Kian, a very, very happy, healthy, fun and strong life ahead. Okay? Enjoy every single day, and we look forward to playing with the baby and having so much fun sharing your joy. So, till we meet, bye!
Congratulations. We are waiting for the little princess. Best wishes and take care.
Hey Manisha, Naren and Kian, you guys must be really and eagerly waiting for your little bundle of joy to arrive. I'm sure she's going to be a cutie pie, a little princess. And Manisha, just hang in there another couple of weeks or so. Wish you all the best and happy and safe delivery.
And we are so happy for you guys. We are really happy. आणि आता कोणीतरी येणार ग. Okay, good luck.
Good luck, bye.
Bye.
Surprise! Hi Manisha, hearty congratulations to your family. Hope you have a healthy baby and a healthy delivery. Take care. Love you. Bye.
Hi, congratulations Manisha, Naren and Kian. Welcome to double parenthood. Enjoy the love and excitement that comes from your second little love, and you survived the first child, so and now you're back for more, and may your adventure in parenthood continue to amuse and delight you. So once again, heartiest congratulations to the whole family. That's all love from us, and hope you had a great time and enjoy this little bundle of love. Spend a lot of family time. Bye bye. Thank you.
Hi Manisha, wishing you all the very best from all of us. I hope everything goes smoothly and the way you want it to. We cannot wait for the arrival of your little one. Addition of one more girl on the street, and also a new member for the younger siblings. So really looking forward, wishing you all the very best. Congratulations to you, Naren and Kian, from all of us, and lots of hugs. Take care.
Hello guys, hope you are enjoying the baby shower. Congratulations one more time, and I wish we could have made it, but never mind. Have fun, stay safe, and we will be there as soon as possible.
Hey, congratulations Naren, Manisha and Kian. I hope you guys have lots of fun today. And the whole day today we were actually debating on okay, what advice should we give these guys, right? And then we realized, hey, they are already an expert. I mean, Kian grew up very fine, right? He's a fine young man. So what we can give you an advice is just have fun, right? This journey, enjoy the journey and have lots of fun.
We have to say congratulations to Kian!
Yeah.
Kian, congratulations! You're gonna become a big brother. Are you happy? And what are you gonna name your little sister? Anyways, see ya soon!
Bye, love you.
Bye guys.
See ya.
Hi Manisha, I hope you're doing good. Hearty congratulations to you, Naren and Kian. I hope to see the little one soon, and good luck to you, and do let us know if you need any help. Enjoy. Bye bye.
Hey Manisha, many congratulations and hope you are doing all well. Congratulations to you and your family. I hope you are excited about the baby and wish you good luck. We'll see you soon. Okay? Take care. Bye.
Hey guys, congrats!
Can't wait to see Kiara.
We're very happy for you guys.
Enjoy
your virtual baby shower.
shower. Bye bye.
Bye.
Congratulations, Manisha.
Congratulations, Narya.
Congratulations to big brother Kian.
Wish you all the best.
Hi Manisha and Narendra. Happy baby shower to you both. Lots of blessing to the little one and looking forward to meet the baby.
And welcome to what? 2 Baby Club?
Yeah, welcome to 2 Baby Club.
I know it's nightmare. Okay. Hopefully it will go well.
Thank you. See you soon. Bye.
हे नरेंद्र, मनीषा, बहुत बहुत बधाई हो आप दोनों को, पूरी परिवार को, कल्याणकर परिवार को। बहुत अच्छा लगा, बेबी आ रही है, बेबी गर्ल आ रही है, तो बस यही भगवान से हमारी प्रार्थना है और हमारे सभी का शुभकामना है, आपके साथ है कि बेबी अच्छा आए, आप दोनों मीन्स आप सभी अच्छे रहे, बस यही प्रार्थना करती हूँ। हम शांति, संतोष, आनंद, आयुरारोग्य सभी परमात्मा आपको प्रदान करे, बस यही प्रार्थना है और बहुत बहुत बधाई हो। आज के बेबी शावर को घर पे नहीं आ सकते, तो यहाँ से आप सभी को बधाई दे रहे हैं। थैंक यू सो मच, ये अवसर आपने दिया है, थैंक यू।
हाँ, नरेंद्र और मनीषा बहुत बहुत बधाई में हमारी तरफ से, रेड्डी फैमिली की तरफ से। आई नो कोविड सिचुएशन में आना नहीं हुआ, बट आपके घर में लक्ष्मी आ रही है, आप लोग को बहुत बहुत बधाई, आप पूरे कल्याणकर परिवार को हमारी तरफ से, और होप एवरीथिंग विल बी गुड एंड देन यू विल हैव योर फैमिली इज कंप्लीट। ऑलराइट, congratulations once again. Thank you
so much.
Hi Manisha, congratulations. We are very happy to hear the happy news. Good luck with everything, and I'm sure Kian is very happy to be a big brother and excited too. If you guys need any help, please do not hesitate. We are here for you guys. Good luck once again. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Auntie.
Enjoy your pregnancy. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, hello Manisha. Pehले congratulations to you, Nareen and Kiyu. I'm very happy and very excited, especially because it's a girl. Trust me yaar, it's gonna be fun and it's gonna be colorful. और तूने तो वैसे भी कियू को अपनी लाड प्यार से बिगाड़ के रखा है, एक और आने वाली है उसको भी बिगाड़। Anyways, take care. Lots of love to you and the little one. Mwah. Bye.
हाय मनीषा, सगळे कसे आहात तुम्ही? हाय नरेंद्र, आय विश वी कुड हॅव कम फॉर युअर बेबी शॉवर, पण आय नो इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल, बट हार्टी कंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू अँड गुड लक. आणि भेटलो असतो तर मजा केली असती खरंच, बेबी शॉवरमध्ये भरपूर गेम्स वगैरे खेळलो असतो, पण नाही आहे पॉसिबल आता. बट एनिवे, आय एम सो एक्सायटेड फॉर युअर लिटल बेबी गर्ल कमिंग अप. नाव वगैरे विचार केलाय का सांगा आम्हाला नक्की, आणि तसं सजेस्ट करायला तर आरती खूप चांगलं नाव आहे बेबी गर्लसाठी. But anyway, we are really happy for you guys. You'll have a full nice family now, and waiting to hear good news from you guys.
Yeah, very good news. Okay, congratulations to both of you, and we are excited about the arrival of new baby in your house. Okay, very congratulations, hearty congratulations. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful change in life. Okay, congratulations.
Hey guys, say congratulations.
Congratulations.
Hi Manisha, hi Nareen, congratulations. So happy to hear that you will be having a baby girl very soon. I would love to come and see you in fall maybe. So sorry we can't come and see you right now. God bless you. I'm sending you lots of love and good wishes, and see you in fall. Bye.
May this princess bring more joy and happiness into this family. May this little princess bring double the amount of blessings in this family. May this little princess add another spark into this family's lives. Congrats.
Congratulations, Manisha. All the best.
All the best.
Congratulations, Manisha. All the best.
Wish you all the best. We'll call you soon. Good luck.
Hi Manisha, wishing you all the best with the new baby who is not far away now. Congratulations. We are so excited for your growing family. We cannot wait to spoil your little princess. God bless you. Thank you.
Hi Narendra and Manisha, congratulations. I heard the new coming baby is a baby girl. I hope she will come as a goddess to Narasanhar, the corona evil, the current corona evil. I hope both the new baby and the mom will be healthy when the baby comes to this life. And congratulations again. Have a good day.
Congratulations, Manisha.
Congratulations, Nerea. Hope to see a new arrival soon.
Congratulations, Kian. I'm excited. Can't wait to see the new family member. Congratulations, Auntie and Uncle. Take care.
Hi Manisha, hi Bablu. Congratulations to you both. And take care and all the best.
Hey Bablu, Manisha, congratulations to you and wish the little princess the best of health and happiness.
Hello Manisha Mami.
Hello Kiyu. Congratulations to all of you for a new bundle of joy. Have a safe delivery, Manisha. Stay happy.
Stay safe.
Congratulations and celebrations. I want the world to know how happy I can be.
Let's welcome to the world a baby girl.
A wonderful new princess and a lovely sister of Kian Seth. Bablu and Manisha as new parents. May your hearts be filled with much love and joy, raising this little angel. Congratulations and best wishes.
Congratulations, wish you good health and see you very soon.
Hi Manisha, hi Bablu, hi Kian.
Hi Manisha, Bablu and Kian.
जीवनातल्या अत्यंत महत्त्वाच्या टप्प्यात वेगवेगळे आनंद उपभोगत असताना, वेगवेगळे सुखाचे क्षण येत असताना, हा एक अत्यंत तुमच्या दोघांच्या जीवनातला मोलाचा क्षण आहे आणि आनंदाचा क्षण आहे असं मला वाटतं. कियान सोबतच आता एक नवीन सवंगडी घरात येत आहे आणि त्या बेबीच्या आगमनाप्रसंगी विशेष करून तुम्हाला शुभेच्छा. आपल्या कुटुंबामध्ये या येणाऱ्या बाळाचं आम्ही सर्व स्वागत करतोय आणि विशेष करून तुझ्या तब्येतीसाठी मनीषा आम्ही देवाच्यातली प्रार्थना करतोय. सर्व काही ठीक होईल. काळजी घे. वन्स अगेन वी विश यू अ व्हेरी हार्टी कॉंग्रॅट्स वन्स अगेन.
Congratulations to both of you, Narendra, Manisha.
Hi Manisha.
Hi Kaku.
Hi, Kaku.
We all pray for your safe and smooth delivery and may God bless you with a sweet, happy, healthy girl baby.
All the best.
All the best, Kaku.
याग सख्यानो चला याग सयानो आता डोहा
कशी आहेस? व्यवस्थित राहा, बरी राहा. तुला येत्या डिलेव्हरीसाठी शुभेच्छा. मिस यू. बाय.
Congratulations, Manisha.
कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स मनी. हॅपी राहा, खुश राहा. आम्हाला फोटो पाठव बरं का लगेच.
Hi Manutai, congratulations. Congrats. Heard about the good news. Have a safe delivery and healthy baby. Take care.
Hi Manisha. Congratulations. Be happy. Be safe.
मनीषा तुला हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
अभिनंदन मनीषा. येणाऱ्या बाळाची खूप खूप स्वागत. काळजी घ्या.
मनीषा सुरक्षित राहा, सांभाळून राहा, आनंदी राहा. तुझ्या पुढच्या डिलिव्हरीसाठी हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
Congratulations.